Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with dry, dull skin that just doesn't seem to stay hydrated, you're not alone. Finding the right moisturizer can be a game changer, but with so many out there, it's hard to know which one will truly deliver the hydration and nourishment your skin craves. Let's dive into a product that promises 48 hours of intense hydration, the belif Moisturizing Bomb. Now, before we jump in, if you're loving honest, in-depth beauty reviews, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on expert insights here on Beautyistic. The belif Moisturizing Bomb is designed to deliver a lightweight yet deeply nourishing moisture boost, perfect for anyone looking to hydrate their skin without the heaviness of a thick cream. It's formulated with key ingredients like peptide, ceramide, and squalane to fortify the skin's barrier and improve elasticity. Plus, it's infused with a unique botanical blend, including comfrey leaf, which is known for its skin-soothing properties. This moisturizer promises to restore balance and boost moisture for a glowing, plump complexion. Now let's talk about real-world usage. First off, this cream has a beautifully creamy texture, but it's not thick or greasy. The formula absorbs quickly, which is a major plus for anyone who doesn't want to wait forever for their moisturizer to settle before applying makeup. I tested this in my daily routine, and I was genuinely impressed by how easily it melted into my skin. It left my skin feeling hydrated and refreshed, not heavy or greasy at all, which is often a concern with rich moisturizers. I even used it as an overnight treatment, and when I woke up, my skin felt soft and nourished, not dry or tight like with other moisturizers. However, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. If you're someone with extremely dry skin or need a heavy-duty moisturizer for harsh winter months, you might find this product to be a bit on the lighter side. It's perfect for normal to combination skin. But if you need intense moisture, this might not be your go-to for deeper hydration. Also, while I love the feel of the product, I did notice that it took a little longer to fully absorb in certain areas of my face, but this wasn't a major issue. Let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight yet nourishing, making it perfect for daily use. Packed with skin-repairing ingredients like peptide, ceramide, and squalane. Absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. Great for layering under makeup or using as an overnight treatment. Helps improve skin elasticity and restore the skin barrier. Cons: might not be moisturizing enough for extremely dry skin types. Absorption time can vary depending on skin texture. When it comes to value for money, I do think this product holds its ground. With a price that reflects its high-quality ingredients and performance, you're paying for a skincare formula backed by effective hydration and skin barrier support. The fact that it's a multifunctional product, ideal for both day and night use, adds to its overall value. It's a great all-rounder for someone looking to maintain healthy, hydrated skin without breaking the bank. Comparing it to other moisturizers in the same category, the belif Moisturizing Bomb stands out because of its unique blend of botanicals and its lightweight texture. It's certainly more affordable than some high-end moisturizers that claim the same 48-hour hydration, but tend to be thicker and heavier on the skin. If you're used to luxury products, but prefer something lighter, this could be a great option. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. The jar is sturdy, and while it's not the most travel-friendly option, it's perfect for keeping on your vanity or in your skincare stash. The 50ml size is a decent amount for regular use and should last a while, making it a solid investment for anyone seeking long-term hydration and skin health. So, who is this moisturizer best for? If you're someone with normal to combination skin looking for a reliable everyday moisturizer, this is an excellent option. It offers the hydration your skin needs without feeling overly rich or greasy, and it's gentle enough to use under makeup or as part of your nighttime skincare routine. Now, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, belif has an excellent reputation for customer service. They're known for being responsive to any issues or inquiries, which is always a plus when buying skincare products. I haven't seen any updates to this product recently, but rest assured it's a solid formula with ingredients that are tried and tested for long-term skin benefits. If you're on a budget and want something that still delivers hydration without the luxury price tag, there are a few alternatives like the Ceramide Daily Moisturizing Lotion or Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which might suit your needs just as well. To sum it all up, the belif Moisturizing Bomb is a fantastic moisturizer for those with normal to combination skin, especially if you're looking for something lightweight, hydrating, and skin barrier strengthening. If you're seeking something with intense hydration for extremely dry skin, though, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.